Hi there. It's your Uncle John.
We are a retired cook from Wales, and today we will be showing you on how we make one of the best foods, minced wheat pies.
They're quick, easy, and delicious, so let's jump right in.
First, you will need about 50 grams of aspiring medics and scientist students conferences to a large non-profit pot.
When the stuff is hot, add in your distinguished speakers, namely Sir Michael Dixon, Dr. Naveen Nagesh, and a few other reputed clinicians, WHO officials, and scientists across Hong Kong. To also bring out that special note of flavor, you want to be buying it on March 26th at Confucius Hall Secondary School, located at 77 Coraline Road, if you can't find it.
Key ingredient that really brings flavor to this dish is the SA/CAS events. Remember to add a dash of primary involvement to further enhance the flavors.
To fully utilize this ingredient, you have to fill out the CAS proposal form, project form, and or fundraising form, but only fill in the ones appropriate to your CAS.
Now, the second step is to send the form to Mrs. Barclay and Mrs. Harrison. Make sure it meets secondary CAS standards so the food doesn't spoil. The final step is that all CAS proposals involving primary students should be ground up with a good serving of Mr. Ross Dawson and Miss Heather Lynn.
Please note, when using this ingredient, not to email primary teachers directly, because Mr. Dawson and Mrs. Lynn will respond to approved CAS proposals.
Finally, add 1 DP Visual Arts opening. The Year 12 DP Art exhibition will open on Friday, 24th March at 6 p.m. with a special opening event. The exhibition, Catalyst for Reinvention, features the work of our DP Visual Arts students,
showcasing their talents and ideas through a range of media, including photography, sculpture, painting, digital works, and installation. The students are excited to be able to show the results of 2 years of very hard work.
The exhibition will be in the PAC foyer and will be open to the school community from the 27th to the 31st of March inclusive. All students are welcome to visit the exhibition. Once that's done, get them into the preheated oven at 3 cycles and 5 days, but be careful not to use phones at school, as you should know they badly mix with the strong education smell in our pie.
Okay, time's up and they're looking fantastic. The aroma in my kitchen right now is amazing, but they're still missing a hint of year 6s.
Oh, I know the perfect ingredient. PSAs. Kids, welcome back to the
Year 6 Care Kira, plastic for dinner. I don't want plastic for dinner.
Plastic pollution is not something to ignore or take lightly. It is a wildfire that spreads destruction everywhere it goes.
Plastic may be a useful and convenient tool, but it is also a deadly weapon of harm and destruction. It is time to wake up and change, but we need your help.
One person alone cannot fix this problem. Together, we must recycle, use less plastic, and band together to take action and solve this harmful problem.
Hello everyone, my name is Miss Chow.
Catherine Ross, Shirla Sum, Rebecca Lucas Timpany,
Chloe Pollock. Hi, I'm Leslie Ann Harrison.
And you're watching Disney Channel.
Historically, teaching has been a very female-centric job, but historically, the positions of leadership weren't always held by women.
There were definitely some challenges when I first started out. I worked in a traditionally male school. I wanted to get into leadership, and I was told once that women can't be responsible for behavior in a school because the boys were not scared enough of us.
One of the things I'm very keen to see is equity. Some young women don't want to just wear the skirts all the time. And so I'm pushing for the equity there. And I think we've still got a way to go in terms of like gender neutral uniform and gender neutral toilets. And, you know, we've got a way to go, but I'm advocating for it.
IB programs actually, they offer opportunities for students to reflect on human commonality, diversity, and also multiple perspectives to value ourselves and others.
It's getting people to think out the box. You know, think beyond just normal, what we would consider normal ways of learning.
Just go for it. Enjoy being confident, being capable, and not be afraid of what the reaction might be.
Really be fearless, what's there to lose, and speak out against structures of patriarchy. I think together then we can work to create a world that we can be our authentic selves, no matter our gender, our age, race, or sexual orientation.
To strive the best we can be.
Embrace challenges and actually think about, every opportunity is a learning opportunity.
To add and make a better world.
Hope you guys give this recipe a go, and I'm sure you and your family will enjoy it a lot. Catch you guys next time. Goodbye.